With April being Autism Awareness Month, the town of West New York teamed up with the Board of Education for an interactive and informational event at the middle school on Saturday. Numerous vendors were on hand providing informational pamphlets on autism spectrum disorder, a developmental disability caused by differences in the brain.
Creating awareness among all of us for the community is key in order to be successful. As you well know, parents are our partners in education, and creating not only awareness for parents but also for the entire community as a whole is critical to letting them know the differences, the resources that we have to make them productive children.
I think the biggest takeaway from this is that the children look like any other child. They just have different ways of learning and different ways of doing things, but that doesn't mean that they shouldn't be accepted by their classmates, by the other teachers or educators in the building, and certainly by the community.
We have over 15 groups here. We have over 70 teachers who volunteered. So this is just a very successful event for being the first time.
The day featured activities for children, including bouncy houses, board games, face painting, and crafts making.
Today we have our outreach team, which is available here today, and today we're providing glucose checks, blood pressure checks for anyone who'd like. We're also providing a COVID vaccine if they'd like, and we are also providing a flu vaccine. And our outreach team has information on all the autism events and all the autism services that we can provide, general services that North Hudson provides, such as health care, and also we provide mental health awareness and all the ancillary services that our organization can provide for people. There's more information on our website and at our table at northhudson.org.
I'm a teacher myself, and I always see that regardless of what child I'm educating, every child is different, and you have to be compassionate to every single child, and that's no different for a child who's autistic or who isn't. Just having that heart and that sense of compassion. I'm very fortunate that I work with a team of people who have such tremendous hearts. Our mayor was a former teacher, he gets it. Commissioner Diaz, who really was instrumental in putting this together, and Commissioner Barrera and Commissioner Arroyo, these are people who have a genuine care for the residents of West New York and all the children of West New York. So I'm very fortunate to call myself a part of that administration.
The autism community is growing, sadly. However, it's something that we want to make people aware that they cannot be excluded, they have to be accepted, they have to be loved, they have to be cared, and we all have to understand that there is no illness, it's just a condition that everybody has to be aware of it and know how to take care of them. Toward the kid and the student in our town that are having this condition.
More than 400 residents attended Saturday's Autism Awareness event. In West New York, reporting for Hudson TV, I'm Jeff Hennig.